vlog, it is me, and you're probably looking at the title of this video wondering, literally, why do you have to clean your room every 5 minutes? Well, I still have yet to answer that question because I don't know. It's really frustrating. I feel like I spend at least a third of my adult life cleaning my room, which is just really like not, I think, what you're supposed to be doing, but you know what? It is what it is, and it makes for some really satisfying content, question mark. I don't know. So let's just take a look at my disaster room before we get into literally just montages of cleaning. Do you guys like montages, or do you like explaining things? I don't really need to explain what I'm cleaning. It's pretty self-explanatory that I'm cleaning all the crap all around here. Okay. This is called my dirty room tour. Okay. First, we have Exhibit A, these boxes that have been here for a really long time. These are 2 pairs of shoes that aren't the right size that I need to return. This is a box that I need to ship out to someone. That's a yoga mat. I don't do yoga. Those are pants. Why are shoes there? That's my smoothie from today, so honestly, that part's okay. This part is not okay. This was my Coachella suitcase. This was all the makeup I brought to Coachella, and the jewelry, and the makeup brushes. So typically I do my makeup over there on the floor. I actually bought these little shelves that I'm gonna be putting like right on that part of the wall, where I can put my makeup brushes and my makeup in more of an aesthetically pleasing way versus just on the floor like it always is. So yeah, we have an explosion here. These are not in the right place. My suitcase, that's self-explanatory. I need to just unpack this. Why are there pillows on the floor? Not sure. I was filming a video earlier. There's crap all over there. We got crap on the bed. Oh my god, it's literally never been such a crap hole. Fun fact, I have this jacket hanging here. Every night before bed, I take it down because when I wake up in the middle of the night, it looks like a person. So literally, it's like a part of my morning routine. I'm not even kidding. If I do like an updated morning routine video, I'm literally gonna put that in and be like, and night routine, I'm gonna be like, and I take down the jacket and then I put the jacket back up. It's actually silly. Then I have these pieces of wall art just chilling here. They were in the office and then we wanted to clean it. I need to put these somewhere. I want to hang these up eventually, but like potentially not in this house, or maybe, I don't know. Anyway, then I have another pillow and some random mail and some random other thing. My Tide Pods, why are they there? Not sure. Here's some stuff for my room that I'm redoing, which is these lamps that I'm gonna put next to my beds. My one bed. I have this neon thing that was $7 on Amazon. I'm making some DIY neon signs. I'll show you guys in a video. What is that? Oh, light bulbs. Cool. Okay, I have a shelf. I have another gross pillow that I need to give away, I think. I have more clothes and a sheet on the floor. Just some random crap up here. I got, these were also in the office. They're a bunch of protein drinks and bars and some products that I got from a brand, and a thing of water that I've had forever. And this corner, not sure. Desk, not sure. Now that my office is obviously my primary office space, I want this to be way less cluttered. I want to like move this into the office, get rid of, like not get rid of, but like take these out so this is more aesthetically pleasing. I got my empty Doc Martens box because I got some ducks for Coachella. They hurt like a bitch. I highly don't recommend. They're really cute though. My Ikea stuff, more stuff that I'm putting into my room when I'm redoing it. Featuring some palm fronds. I got a backpack just chilling, some more pillows, some lights for filming, and a plethora and a heaping pile of laundry. This space heater that needs to go back to the management of this building. I asked for it because my heat was broken one day. Oh, whoops, this is still on. Random crap. The only thing is my bed is somewhat made, kind of, but my bed skirt is off, so it looks super naked because I had to wash it, and now it's washed, and now I need to put it back on. But you guys, I cannot explain to you how big of a biatch that is because I have to take off my whole mattress. So yeah. If we make our way into my bathroom, we got some dirty underwear and socks right there. We have a gorilla suit, quite literally a gorilla suit on the ground. This thing is so comfy. My friends gave it to me because it's genuinely just so comfy. So I wear it sometimes as like a onesie, okay? Okay, the rest isn't like so bad. I just need to put these back in their said spaces. And got a shower cap on top of the toilet. We love that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that dirty room tour, and I guess we should maybe like, I don't know, clean it now. Okay, well, this just took a turn completely. I just did not expect myself to really do this. Yikes. Just really felt like I needed to switch something up, and I'm kind of doing this impulsively, but I just need a change. I feel like this room is way bigger than it looks. It's actually pretty big, but with this bed sticking out in the middle, I just feel like it takes up so much room. So here's the plan, and I want you guys to know I've put zero thought into this. I really have no idea what I'm doing. Now that I have an office, I don't need such an office-y section right here. I do need a place to film and record my podcast, so I'm thinking of making this a little hub where I have the table kind of out with a chair behind it so I can actually film this against the wall, my podcast. So I'm basically gonna move my bed over to that corner, and we're really just gonna see what the heck happens. This is so spur of the moment. I don't know what's gonna happen. Good luck to me. Okay, so I just moved my shoe rack that was over there on the ground to right here because I think I'm gonna use it to like store other stuff that I don't have space for, like jewelry or whatever else, because I have like way too much stuff that I don't know where to store. And I just tried putting some of those Tezza pictures, the ones that Morgan and I decided we weren't gonna use, up on the wall just to like see what it would look like. I didn't fully put them down, I just used like tiny pieces of tape. But I actually think it kind of looks cool. It's a little bit random because it's only right there instead of like all up and down. But I don't know, I think it could potentially look pretty cool. I'm not entirely positive how we feel about that. We will find out. Hello from the future. I realized I didn't actually show you what the rearrangement looks like. And if you saw my last vlog, you know that these are old clips and I am now going to completely put my room back the way it was, although different this time. So let me just show you what it looked like once I moved all that furniture that you saw in the montage. And big surprise, it's extremely messy again. Okay, so I ended up putting my desk here. This is where my bed was, that bookshelf, and then my bed, and then dresser. So as you can see, I realized this really doesn't work. It just doesn't work. It looks terrible. The bed is supposed to be there. Those shelves just have no place. I did like doing my makeup by this window, but I just can't. So I'm gonna rearrange this, move that back, but I'm gonna do a bunch of cool things. I'm adding curtains, I'm adding lights. So you're just coming on this journey with me. This is just the longest room cleaning, rearranging journey you've seen in your life. Look how messy my life is. But hey, at least people like cleaning montages. What up, squad? Haley and I are at Ikea. It's Sunday. It's like 7 or 6:30. I've been sleeping all day. Let's go up the escalator because I'm lazy. I've been sleeping all day because we got really drunk this weekend.
We did.
We went out a lot.
We did. We went out a lot, and we went out a lot last weekend too. So it's just been a lot.
My nose is crooked.
I don't know what's happening with my hair right now.
Anyway, we're gonna go get some things. Okay, bye. First thing checked off the list. Needed some bigger pillows.
getting a nice little accent pillow with some pop of color, because right now my bed is pretty much white and navy and dark, and yeah. All right, we're making our way. I got a pegboard that I'm gonna keep my sunglasses on, which is gonna be cute. In the candle section, getting some yummy candles. I am an egg. All right, here are the tabletops for Morgan and I's desk situation in our office. And there's a young Haley. And we're almost done. Wee! Hi, Adrienne. Wee! Nice. All right, we are done at Ikea, $300 later. Oops. But we got some good stuff, so I'll show you later. What? I can make a hand clap. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. Yeah! Go team! Okay. Okay. And we're here. Okay, you're good. You're good.
Are we good? I'm glad you're good, because I'm not. Oh my God.
That's right. Yep.
Yes.
Okay, here.